Whether you're filming epic landscapes, historic landmarks, or capturing the buzz of the city, knowing a few key drone moves can take your footage from good to absolutely cinematic. In this video I will show you 7 essential drone moves every pilot should know. Moves that are simple, powerful and incredibly versatile, no matter where you're flying. We will look at how to perform each move and the best scenarios to use them in, from nature to urban environments and even historical landmarks. So let's get started. First up, the pullout. On the controller, all you have to do is move back. To get this shot right, start close to your point of interest, then slowly fly backwards. This move creates a revealing effect, showing the scale of the environment, perfect for shots in nature, city plazas or ancient monuments. It gives the viewer a sense of where they are in the world. Next up, the orbit. On the controller, move left and rotate right, or move right and rotate left, depending on the direction of the orbit. To get this shot right, fly in a circular motion around your point of interest while keeping it centered in the frame. This adds drama, perspective and most importantly parallax into your footage, which is a visual illusion where the apparent position of an object seems to shift when viewed from different positions. Use this move to show a cityscape, highlight details of buildings, landmarks, ruins, statues or even people. Next up, the raise up. On the controller, all you have to do is move up. The raise up move is great for revealing context, rising above trees, rooftops or over cliffs to show what's behind or to get a better perspective. This works beautifully in nature, when rising above a forest to show the mountains in the distance, or in rural areas, lifting up from a narrow street to reveal the landscape. Next up, the tripod. For this shot you don't need to do anything on the controller, all you have to do is to frame the shot. The tripod is all about stability and minimal movement. It mimics a static camera shot, adding calm and focus. Use this shot to capture nature in its purest form, or intimate moments like someone sitting by the sea. This shot is very simple, but also very versatile. You can get very creative with it and capture boats or cars in movement. You can film people moving through the scene, use different camera angles, and even different distances from the subject. As with any shot, your inspiration is the limit to what you can do with the tripod shot. Next up, the push-in. On the controller, all you have to do is move in front. The push-in can be used to emphasize a building or monument by flying smoothly forward and drawing the viewer's eye in. To add more depth to your shot, try to fly close to other structures as you perform this move, but remember to always keep your drone in line of sight to avoid any collision. You can also use this shot in nature to draw attention to a specific natural formation, like this creek or anything else you want to bring focus to. Or you can use this shot to simply show the landscape. This shot is great for narrative storytelling and to build anticipation or emotion. As with any other drone move, make sure your camera gimbal is stable and keep your movement smooth. Next up, the Droney. On the controller, all you have to do is move back and up. The Droney is arguably the most popular and most used drone move, at least when it comes to social media. To get this drone move right, start close to your point of interest, then back out and rise. It's fun, cinematic and personal, perfect for travel shots, showing off epic destinations or couple shots. Try it from a cliff edge, the center of a plaza or a beach for maximum impact. A small tip, smile and wave, it's a selfie with wings. And last but not least, the Dropdown. On the controller, all you have to do is move down. The Dropdown is a powerful shot to reveal your point of interest from above. To get this shot right, begin high and slowly descend, keeping your point of interest centered. This move is great for scenes that benefit from a dramatic entrance, like rural areas, monuments, nature or city streets. And here are all the shots one more time. These 7 moves form the backbone of cinematic drone flying. Each one has its place. Use them to tell stories, show emotion and capture beauty in all kinds of settings. Don't forget to experiment. Combine moves, change altitudes and practice in different lighting. Nature, cities, monuments. These moves work everywhere and they are your creative tools. Start simple and then build your own unique style.